of the funny game of, well, is it AI or not? And the audience can never see into the artistic process. I would have been curious if there were certain parts they were sure were AI or not.
So actually, the core idea of this project is not to mimic Johann Strauss or to mimic any existing music, but to come together, artists and tech community to shape the AI for something that is useful for art community.
Even though I can say which parts are from me and which parts are from the AI, I think they're mixing really well together. So it's really a collaboration, and together we have one piece.
It helped us generating material that has a unique and distinct sound, which we would have never achieved on our own. So it was a big, big helping tool for us.
The more open you are, the more you can be surprised. Whenever we had something very, very specific in mind, it was like, okay, it's not really going where I want it to go.
When the AI misinterprets something, that's when my creative juices start flowing. That's when I realized, okay, this actually has potential.